No, ma'am, came again.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. There is a network issue, no?
Ma'am, you will be getting one request from me, ma'am. This class once.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
check once.
I
Yes,
got it, ma'am.
yes. Right, there is a network issue. Actually, we are talking about regenerated fibers. So regenerated fibers are produced naturally. Okay, they are a kind of natural fibers. Okay, from where they are produced is they are produced from wood pulp. What is meant by wood pulp, children? Wood
It
pulp.
is wood fiber that is chemically processed or something. It is used for paper.
Wood pulp mean it is taken from plants. Okay, generally we have
Yeah,
plants.
wood fiber
Yeah,
from
plants,
wood.
big trees are there in the forest especially, and that big trees, from the trunks of that big trees the wood is prepared, and this wood is be used in different manufacturing of tables, chairs, doors, different kind of furnitures also. And while making this all kind of furnitures or different things, we get lot of wood pulp. Okay, so the waste powderish material which comes from the wood is called as wood pulp. I'll show you the picture. Please wait.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh,
Dhruv, please
nothing,
tell
ma'am.
me. Could you able to see the picture, children?
No, ma'am. We can't see,
No,
ma'am.
No.
it doesn't even show that you shared the screen.
1 minute. 1 minute, children. Now, children, were you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Now I can see.
Yeah. So what did you understand from this picture, children?
Like a white powdery
See, first you
screen.
can have forest, you can see. Trees are there. Okay, from trees, the wood. We have separated the wood, we have extracted the wood, and from the wood, again the wood is manufactured or processed to form pulp. Pulp is again processed to form fiber. Fiber is again spinned to form an. Okay, an is finally made into fabric, and fabric is made into clothes. Okay, so this is a kind of regenerated fibers. Mean the fibers which are produced from wood pulp. Okay, and one more thing is cotton linter. I'll show you cotton linter also. Did you see this? Okay, this is called as cotton linter. Main cotton seeds are there na, inside the cotton. We have cotton seeds.
Yes, ma'am. Cotton seeds will be.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
surrounding the cotton seeds, there is some kind of fibrous material.
What will they do?
Oh, so
What is
that's
the use of
winter?
them, ma'am?
Yeah, that is called cotton linter.
No, what is the use of them?
LINTER. They will prepare the fabrics. Okay, regenerated fibers are prepared. From cotton linter also, fibers are prepared. Okay, and fiber is converted into an is converted into again fabrics. Okay, so this is called as cotton linter. So the fibers which are prepared from cotton linters are called as regenerated fibers. What are they called as, children? They are called
Regenerated
as
fiber.
regenerated
You missed
fibers.
the why.
Fibers.
Yes.
Why regenerated fibers? Like, what's the difference between the
Already from
normal
the no,
fibers?
see, already from the plant we have extracted fibers. Yesterday we have studied na, this is a cotton plant. Okay, from
Yeah.
the cotton plant already we are extracting the fibers which are called as cotton fibers, and all the seeds which are not used, we are keeping aside. Okay, so the seeds which are there in this cotton plant, we are taking it out and we are keeping aside. Okay, so again we are regenerating fibers from that cotton seeds. Okay, I mean two
Okay.
times process is happening here. Okay,
From
one is
two different
cotton
materials.
fibers are produced, And second, regenerated fibers are produced. Okay, hence
Okay.
this is called as regenerated. So now what you have to understand is regenerated fibers are produced from raw materials like wood pulp as well as cotton linter. Okay, this is an example for cotton linter. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, this is the cotton linter. The cotton linter is formed like a fiber. You can see the fiber also in the picture.
Miss, both of them will make different kind of fabrics, right?
Yes,
Like
cotton will make
linter
cotton
and fabric.
fabrics. Yeah, cotton will make pure cotton fabrics. And this cotton linter will make a different kind of fabrics called as regenerated fabrics. Okay.
Okay.
So now this regenerated fabrics or fibers are also called as cellulose fibers or cellulosic fibers. They are called as cellulose fibers or cellulosic fibers. Why they are called as cellulosic fibers or cellulose? Actually, what is a cellulose in the I told these are collected from naturally from the plants. So what is meant by cellulose according to your knowledge? Children, what is a cellulose? When I talk about plants, how to define cellulose in plants? So plants are made up of some fiber-like substances called as cellulose. Okay, it is a kind of
Cellulose is a
starch.
molecule, ma'am.
It is a molecule. Okay, and anything is a molecule. Okay, small molecules join together to form larger
Consisting of hundreds
molecules.
and sometimes.
Okay, a starch like it is to exactly define, it is present in plants. Okay,
Yeah, in the
so
cell wall of the plant.
yeah, and
That's what it
plants,
says.
most of the plants are made up of cellulose. Fibers called as cellulose. It is also a starch like carbohydrate. Okay, so this information is enough for you. So now what is the point you have to understand is regenerated fibers are also known as cellulosic fibers because they are extracted from the plants. Okay, especially from the cellulose which is present in the plants. Okay, cellulose is present in the plants. So this regenerated fibers are produced from the cellulose which is present in the plants. Hence it is called as cellulosic fibers. It is called as cellulosic fibers. Then what are the examples? Can you give me any examples for regenerated fibers? Rayon. Okay, rayon is one of the example. And one more example is also there. I'll write here.
Miss,
One
rayon
minute.
is a synthetic fiber.
It is also called as regenerated fiber. Through regeneration also we can prepare. I'm unable to write here. Okay. So actually, rayon is a synthetic fiber, but rayon also can be produced as a regenerated fiber. Okay, by combination of few, we will tell like some acids. Okay, so when rayon is combined with acetic acid, sorry, when this cotton linter is combined with acetic acid, it gives, rayon or some other fibers like cellulose acetate. Okay, this cotton linter as well as this wood pulp, when they are reacted with acetic acid, okay, they form like rayon as well as cellulose acetate, which is also one of the regenerated fiber. 1 minute, I will
Miss,
try
so
to write here. Just a second. It is not writing. Okay, anyways, it is not writing here. Yes, Yomini, please tell.
yeah, is the synthetic fiber, which is rayon, and this regenerated fiber rayon, are they both the same or different?
No, there will be a difference in the quality actually. Okay, from fiber to fiber, there is a small difference in the quality of the product or quality which is finally coming out, there will be a slight variation. Okay, synthetic fibers are something which are purely synthetic fibers which are purely man-made. Okay, there is a chemical composition involved in the synthetic fibers, total chemical composition. But here in the regenerated fibers, we are taking natural items only. This wood pulp is a natural item, and then this cotton linter is also a natural. Uh, these are all natural fibers. Okay, but they are slightly processed. Okay, they are not completely processed. What are synthetic fibers? Tell me.
They're
Synthetic
man-made
fibers,
fibers or chemical process.
they are completely into chemical processing. We don't,
Man-made
Yeah.
fibers, ma'am.
yeah, man-made fibers, artificial fibers, or synthetic fibers. But what is the definition? Okay,
They're
they are
completely
produced from the chemical
Chemical
process
process in the
in the
industry.
industries. Coming to regenerated fibers, okay, they are taken from some natural sources like cotton linter or wood pulp.
Wood pulp.
Okay, by taking these two, they will take only one chemical substance like acetic acid. They will combine this cotton linters with acetic acid to form regenerated fibers. Okay, so rayon
Yes.
is a mixture of, I mean, in rayon there are many qualities. Actually, there were many qualities of rayons, rayon cloths. Okay, one kind of rayon cloth will be produced when this regenerated fibers are reacted with acetic acid. That is the last point he wrote again. In the course book, you can refer page number 3. Rayon and cellulose acetate are two common regenerated fibers. So what are the two common regenerated fibers are? Rayon and cellulose acetate. Okay, so they are formed from cotton linters. Okay, cotton linter.
Ma'am, why
These,
they are used, ma'am?
hmm?
Regenerated fibers.
Why?
Why they are used, ma'am? Regenerated fibers.
In order to make fabrics, in order to make clothes, in order to make different household items. Okay. Now, why
Okay.
the fibers are used finally? The fibers are used in making of fabrics.
Clothes, yeah.
Fabrics are
Yes.
nothing but clothes. But in clothes, there are different types of clothes. Na? Even we wear different types of clothes. Sometimes we wear cotton clothes, pure cotton. Sometimes we wear clothes which are
Polyester,
of like
nylon.
polyester. And sometimes in online, maximum of the online purchases are of rayon. He'll
Yes,
not give
ma'am.
you pure cotton. He'll tell you rayon, okay, or polyester. Okay, so these are all different kinds of clothes. Not only clothes, for example, doormats are there, and then different kinds of nets are there, and curtains are there, and different kinds of materials are there, right? So those are all made up of fabrics only. Is this point clear? Shall we move on here? Is it clear for everybody? Can you brief me what is regenerated fibers? Can someone please brief me what is regenerated fibers?
Regenerated
Yes,
fibers
ma'am.
are the fibers
Regenerated
that are made
fibers are made of raw materials
raw
uh,
materials.
that form that form fibers naturally from wood pulp
Oh, I
and
don't want you to read
cotton.
the course book. I want you to tell me what you have understood in your
Ah,
own
okay.
words.
Okay, so regenerated fibers are
Ma'am,
like the
regenerated
fiber
fibers
not
One
from
minute,
the top
Mahima.
naturally.
layer.
1 minute, Mahima. First, Yomini started. Now, let her complete. Then I'll give you an opportunity so that everybody will understand. Yomini, please continue.
Okay, so these regenerated fibers are the fibers from the inside layer, not from the top layer. Like even from cotton, we're taking from the fiber that is around the seed, but not the top layer. And this is
We
also
will call
combined
it
with,
as, the terminology is also very important. We will call that as cotton linter.
yeah,
Yeah.
cotton linter and wood
Hmm.
pulp.
Yeah. Wood pulp
This
is
is
taken.
also called as
Hmm.
this is also called as cellulose fibers.
Yeah, because it is derived
This
from
is
cellulose. Cellulose is
okay,
present in the plant.
in the
Okay.
cell wall of the plant, and
What are the
they're also added
examples?
with another acid or something to make new
What are
kind
the
of fabric.
examples?
Rayon,
Rayon and cellulose acetate.
cellulose acetate.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Ma'am,
how
examples associate.
these are formed? How they are formed?
They're combined from, I mean, like they're made from cotton linters and also combined with.
Cotton linter interacted with acetic acid. Okay, cotton linter combined with acetic acid. Okay, it forms rayon or another regenerated fiber called cellulose acetate. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Mahima, would you like to tell now? Mahima?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, ma'am.
Means they are regenerated fibers, means they are formed by wood pulp and cotton linter, ma'am.
Okay. And
And from the cotton linter, they are combined with acetic acid, ma'am.
okay, and what is the end product?
Rayon and cellulose, ma'am.
Okay, regenerated fibers are also called as
Regenerated fibers are also called as
cellulosic fibers.
cellulosic fibers,
Why they are called as cellulosic fibers?
because cellulose is present in plants, no, ma'am.
Okay. So they are derived from cellulose of the plants. Hence they are
Yes.
called as cellulosic fibers.
Ma'am,
Fibers.
even I want to tell something, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, regenerated fibers are like natural materials that have processed into a fiber structure, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Like this is such as cellulose and wood pulp, ma'am. They are used to make like materials such as rayon and acetate.
Okay. Cellulose acetate. Okay.
That's all.
Good, Nana. Good. Okay. Everybody understood? Anybody who have not understood this concept, please raise your hands if you have not understood. So everybody have understood.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Miss everyone.
So with this, we have completed this, I think, week 1. So open page number 4. Page number 4 of your course books. Okay. What are there? Filling the blanks are there. Synthetic fibers are made up of small units called.
Monomers.
Very good. Monomers. Synthetic fibers are made up of small units called monomers. Monomers spelling is there. You can check page number 3. MONOMERS. 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 Did you write, children? Did you complete it?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Next,
Ma'am, page number, ma'am. Ma'am, and still page number.
page number 4. Fill in the blanks.
Mama, do again, ma'am.
Synthetic fibers are made of small units called
Monomers.
monomers. Already spellings are there. Refer page number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything I will not spoon feed, Nana. It is not good for you. Sometimes you should have your own writings also. Okay, many monomers join together to form a larger unit called
Polymer.
Polymer, ma'am.
very good, polymer. POLYMER, polymer. Next, dash is a naturally occurring polymer.
Polymerization.
No, you have to tell me the example, not process. Which fibers are, which is the one which is naturally occurring polymer?
Didn't they ask for the process?
Cotton, wool, silk.
You refer page number 2. Page number 2. Okay, similarities between natural and artificial fibers.
Yeah.
Point number 3. Cotton, wool, silk are the natural polymers. So you write cotton/wool/silk. Any one, it is correct answer. Because he told is, dash is A. So cotton or wool. Ma?
Cotton, silk, and what is the another name?
Wool. Wool.
Wool. Cotton, wool, silk.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Natural gum is the example of dash polymer.
Natural gum.
Synthetic polymer.
The word itself, it is then natural. So it is a natural gum. So obviously it is a natural.
Natural.
The synthetic
Natural
polymer, ma'am.
Why synthetic, Nanna? It is a natural gum, it seems. In the word
Ma'am,
itself.
because in the sentence itself it's mentioned as natural,
Huh?
and as synthetic is a natural, like synthetic is natural, ma'am. That's why.
Akshara, you are getting confused.
Synthetic
No,
is a
Akshara,
man-made
you are
mineral.
getting confused.
Synthetic
Synthetic is
man-made.
not a natural one. Synthetic is a chemical processed one. Natural is a natural one. The fibers are categorized into two types.
Synthetic is
One is
man-made, ma'am, and
natural
natural
fibers
comes
and
from
second one
nature.
is synthetic fibers. So the answer is natural polymer.
It's a
It is
natural fiber, ma'am.
Yeah, we will write it as natural.
Acrylic paint. It's a dash polymer.
Okay, acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is dash polymer.
Synthetic.
Synthetic, ma'am.
Synthetic. Synthetic.
Synthetic polymer.
Very good. Synthetic. Okay, next. 2. Roman number 2. Encircle the odd one and write the reasons. So what is first one? Wood, bone, teeth,
Bone,
silk.
ma'am.
Bone is an
Bone,
odd
ma'am.
one.
Teeth.
Teeth. Teeth
Teeth
is
is an
odd
odd
one.
one.
Yeah, because it's not made up of fiber.
You have to find out odd one.
Teeth, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Silk,
bone is
ma'am.
how bone is made up of fiber.
Ma'am,
You have to
silk,
find out
ma'am.
an odd one. Don't get confused. You have to find out an
Ma'am,
odd one.
silk, ma'am.
Very good. Silk. Dhruv is
Silk,
correct.
ma'am.
I think it's bone.
Silk.
Silk is a natural fiber. It comes from
Please.
silkworm, ma'am.
Yeah, silk. Answer is silk. It is an odd one in that
Why,
term.
ma'am?
Huh?
Miss, why silk? It can't be silk. It has to be teeth.
Why bones are there? Bones are see.
Ma'am. Wood is also there, ma'am. Wood.
See, bone and teeth are belonging to body only.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not a odd one.
Bone and teeth are naturally formed, no?
Huh. So
But
bone
Miss,
and
you
teeth.
have to.
Yeah, ma'am.
You
Silk
have to
only,
leave the
ma'am.
one that
See,
odd
answer
one
is
out.
silk,
Bone and teeth
Mama.
are naturally formed, no, ma'am. That's
Bone
why,
and
ma'am.
Not like that, ma'am. Wood is hard, bone is hard, teeth is hard. Silk is only soft, ma'am.
yeah, that is also
Silk
correct.
is the fiber,
Go
ma'am.
in any way,
It's a
logical
type
way
of
you can go.
cloth.
Dhruv is also coming up with very good point. Okay, so wood is hard, bone is hard, teeth is hard, and silk is on an odd one. We have to trace out an odd one. Okay, and then
But why can't we trace it out according to
What is
fiber?
the reason, ma'am?
see, according to fibers, if you trace it out also, silk is the fiber given in that. Okay, so silk is a kind of fiber. So if I want wood is not completely a fiber. Okay, so
And also, ma'am, silk comes from an animal,
and
ma'am.
bone is
Others
also
we
not a
are
fiber.
Not from
Teeth
animal.
is also not a fiber. So silk is a fiber. So answer is in
So,
any
ma'am,
way you take, silk is the answer.
As silk is a fiber, it is the odd one out.
Very good.
And what's the reason, ma'am?
Again, what reason means?
Okay, ma'am.
It is an odd one. That's it. Hey, everybody mute
Tell him to
yourself.
write the
Not
reason, ma'am.
next bench.
Fiber,
We unnecessarily we are wasting time, Nanna. Actually, I want to conduct reading test also. Please don't waste time. If you have really doubt, you ask me. Answer is silk there. See,
Yeah, tell
somebody
us
is
the
talking.
reason?
Somebody is talking. Ba. Amit, mute yourself. Okay, second one, nylon, polyester, rayon, silicone. Silicone.
Silicon.
Silicon.
Very good.
Silicon.
Silicone. Because
Silicon.
nylon, Nylon, polyester, rayon, all are synthetic fibers. So silicone is
is a
something
plastic
different. So we will write it as silicone. Next,
Silicone.
nylon
Miss,
is
wait.
used for making parachutes.
True.
True.
True, true. Rayon fiber is prepared from wood pulp.
False.
True, true,
False.
true. I told you na
But
rayon we
you
can
said
prepare from wood
Cotton
pulp.
linter, no, ma'am.
you
Huh?
said cotton linter.
No, Nana, I
Yes,
told you
ma'am.
wood pulp also. You forgot, I think. So I have shown you picture also, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You refer course book page number 3. Examples are rayon and cellulose acetate. Okay, true. Synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers.
True, ma'am. True.
True,
True, miss.
true. A monomer is made up of large number of smaller units called
False, ma'am.
polymers.
False,
False.
False.
False,
False.
ma'am.
Next, a synthetic fiber that has properties like wool is acrylic.
Acrylic, ma'am.
How, miss?
Mean if you look acrylic, it looks like a wool only. I will show you tomorrow the pictures of acrylic. Okay. If you look into it, huh?
Isn't acrylic a paint?
It is not paint.
No.
It's not paint. Okay, tomorrow I will show you. Okay, it is, acrylic is something which is used in carpets or doormats or some
Oh,
shawls,
okay.
some sweaters, socks, blankets. Okay, so answer is acrylic.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, dash is made from cellulose.
Rayon.
Rayon, ma'am.
Rayon. Dash is a natural polymer.
Cellulose.
Cellulose. Very good. Cellulose. An example of synthetic fiber is
Silk.
Rayon.
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 Rayon, ma'am. Rayon.
Rayon. Yes. And this section B, section C notes, I will send you through MCB because answers
Okay.
are quite not too small. They are of 2 to 3 lines. Okay. So I will send through MCB. Okay. Shall
Ma'am,
we?
reading test.
Okay. We
Yeah,
will start off
reading
with
test.
reading test now. I don't know how many students will be completed, but still we will start. 1 minute. I'll stop sharing this so that, yes.